Requiem, the minds all cry. There's a whisper of doom, a sea of despair, an oceanic doom. Reflections of anguish, on waves of despair. The waters once healing now filled without fear. Echoes of suffering lost in the time. A requiem played where innocents died. The shores are barren, stained with decay. The ghosts of the waters leading the way to depths unknown, where darkness consumes. A whirling grave where nature entombs. Poisoned waters, tears of the earth, drowned in sorrow, denied rebirth. Nature's requiem, a mournful cry, in the depths where we all shall die. Beneath the murk, the spirits weep, a long line of death sunk in the deep. A courage to leave, no place to hide, in poison waters where all have died. Spirits weep, a lullaby of death sung in the deep. No sanctuary, no place to hide, in poison waters where all have died. And so we drift in the endless dark, on a sea of death beneath the sky's dark. Nature's requiem in the poison sea, a dirge for the lost, for you and me. everywhere. The soil is poison, the air is thin. In a wasteland, no life can begin. And waste rise from the deep, a testament to greed where shadows creep. The world is drowning in a sea of lies, underneath the sun that burns the skies. The fish rot in silence, a coral grave, an oceanic wasteland no one can save. From microplastics to poison breath, a slow decay, a creeping death. Plastic rain, a scourge unseen, choking life in a world unclean. Nature's requiem in a song, in a wasteland we've gone wrong. The wind waves, a silent scream, a nightmare world, a twisted dream. No refuge found, no place to hide, in this plastic tomb where life has died. Beneath the waves, the silent scream, a nightmare world, a twisted dream. No refuge found, no place to hide, in this plastic tomb where life has died. Where waves whisper softly, a dying breeze, through barren lands and ghostly trees. Nature's requiem, a final breath, in a world suffocated by plastic death. Smoke fills the sky, blinding out the stars. A wounded earth marked by industrial scars. Iron and fire, the tools of decay. Nature's requiem as we waste away. The factories roar, a deafening sound. Engines of progress, grinding the ground. Still tied and still, we're shadowing the land, leaving ruins behind when we waste away. The rivers run thick with poison and oil. Lemon veins of a world in turmoil. Mountains are leveled, stripped to the core. A landscape of sorrow, a cry for war. Dust does not deep in the earth, a testament to greed and the price of our birth. Nature's requiem, a mournful call. Under the weight of our sins, we all shall fall. Victory's roar, a deafening sound. Engines of progress, grinding the ground. Still tied and still, we're shadowing the land, leaving ruins behind when we waste away. The rivers run thick with poison and oil. Lemon veins of a world in turmoil. Mountains are leveled, stripped to the core. A landscape of sorrow, a cry for war. Industrial scars carved deep in the earth, a testament to greed and the price of our birth. Nature's requiem, a mournful call. Under the weight of our sins, we all shall fall. Pipelines pulse with a venomous flow through broken lands where nothing can grow. Machines of destruction, relentless and blind. A future in ruin, where left undesign. The skies turn gray with ashes and dust in the hands of the reckless. The ones I so rust, forests reduced to smoldering graves. The breath of the earth now labors in veins. Toxic winds over cities of glass, eroding the future, erasing the past. Concrete jungles where no life survives. A requiem for nature, where death now lies. Industrial scars carved deep in the earth, a testament to greed and the price of our birth. Nature's requiem, a mournful call. Under the weight of our sins, we all shall fall. A landscape marked by the hands of steel, a legacy of ruins laid to heal. The earth bleeds blood from wounds unsealed. In a desolate wasteland, truth is revealed. And in the ashes, the silence grows. A requiem whispered by the winds that blow. Nature's requiem, a final dirge, and the every breath a whispered plea, nature's cry a agony. The winds howl with a mournful wail through hollow trees across the vale. The mountains weep, their tears run cold, a dying whisper from the ages old. The winds howl with a mournful wail through hollow trees across the vale. The mountains weep, their tears run cold, a dying whisper from the ages old. The oceans roar, the fury unleashed against the shores, the vengeance bleeds. The sky turns black as smoke ascends. Nature's wrath, a final defense. Nature's cry in the dead of night, a symphony of sorrow and desperate fights. The voice resounds through fields and streams, in a world lost torn at the seas. Rivers of blood flow through the plains, a testament to loss, a curse for pay, a discourse the forest shard, a requiem sung by the planet's god. The creatures flee from the poisoned lands as nature withers in human hands. The stars crack, the flowers fade beneath the weight of what we made. The walls are silent, the birds are still, in the shadow of progress we made our kill. A barren wasteland of dying breath, nature's cry in echoes in death. Nature's cry in the dead of night, a symphony of sorrow and desperate fights. Her voice resounds through fields and streams, in the world lost torn at the seams. In the silence of final breath, nature's requiem, a song of death. A grave of strength as the end draws near, a world gone cold when none will hear. A testament to loss, a thirst for pain, a discourse the forest shard, a requiem sung by the planet's god. There's a blood flow, a breeze, a brood. There is a blood flow, a bruise, blood at the seas. Through the shadows of despair, a distant light, a fading glow in the endless night. The earth in ruins, a dying breath, yet on the horizon, a hope against death. Beneath the ashes, the embers glow, in shattered soil where nothing grows. The trees are silent, the rivers dry, yet in the darkness a spark will die. From poisoned seas to the barren lands, nature reaches with trembling hands. The scars run deep, but still she strives to heal the wounds, to keep life alive. Hope's horizon when light breaks free through the darkened veil of misery. Nature's requiem, a solemn plea for a future born from tragedy. The mountains crumble, the valleys weep, a world in ruin, a sorrow so deep. Yet in the stillness, a seed takes root, a fragile promise, a quest for truth. Through choking smoke and blackened skies, the sun ascends, the shadows die. The winds carry whispers of what could be, a world reborn from catastrophe. The wolves return to the haunted woods, the rivers cleanse where poison stood. The earth breathes deep, the skies grow clear, a fragile light, but through the dark unveileth of endless night, nature's requiem, a hymn of grace, of hope to rise from tragedy. The valleys weep, a world in ruin, a sorrow so deep, yet to nameless. A seed takes root, a fragile promise, a quest for truth. A journey of healing, a story so told. The past is a ghost, but the future remains. A new dawn breaks through the chains. And in the distance, a new day's light burns through the darkness of endless night. Nature's requiem, a hymn of grace. On hope's horizon, a saving place. Requiem, the flames rise higher, the oceans roar, a cry from the deep, drowning in sorrow, unable to sleep. Winds of forest, howl through the trees, a requiem played by the deathly breeze. Requiem for a planet, in its final hour. A song of destruction, beneath a dying flower. Nature's voice, a mournful dirge in a world undone, where shadows converge. Beneath the ashes, the bones of the earth, a graveyard of dreams, a curse rebirth. The soil is barren, the air is thin, a requiem song for all that has been. Cry, the void consumes as the angels die. Creatures of night, whispering pain, a desolate hill, a tear-soaked refrain. Fields of grace stretch endlessly, once fertile clouds, now dead debris. The sun sets slow, a blood-red hue. Nature's requiem, her final adieu. Requiem for a planet, in its final hour. A song of destruction, beneath a dying flower. Nature's voice, a mournful dirge in a world undone, where shadows converge. Earth in the ashes, the bones of the earth, a cradle of dreams, a cursed rebirth. Nature's voice, a mournful dirge in a world undone, where shadows